Hey there, having trouble with Cash App and wondering how to fix Cash App not letting me add paper money? Don't worry, I've got your back with some simple solutions to resolve this issue. Whether you're new to Cash App or a seasoned user, this guide will help you get back to adding paper money seamlessly. Step 1. Verify your Cash App account. The first step in resolving this issue is ensuring your Cash App account is fully verified. Verification is crucial to unlock all features, including adding paper money. Check that you've provided accurate information, such as your full name, date of birth, and social security number. To verify, open Cash App, go to your profile, and follow the verification prompts. This might take a few days, so be patient. Step 2. Update the app. An outdated version of Cash App can lead to glitches, such as not being able to add paper money. Make sure you have the latest version installed on your device. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and see if any updates are available. Once updated, restart the app and try adding paper money again. This simple step can often resolve many technical issues. Step 3. Check for network issues. Sometimes the problem could be due to network connectivity. Make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection when attempting to add paper money to Cash App. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. Additionally, restart your internet router to ensure a fresh connection. Once connected, try re-accessing the feature. Step 4. Ensure you're near a supported location. Cash App allows adding paper money at participating retail locations. Make sure you are near a participating store such as a CVS, Walmart, or Walgreens. If you're not near one of these, you might need to travel a little to use the paper money feature. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If you've tried all of the above steps and are still experiencing issues, it's time to reach out to Cash App support for assistance. Open the app, navigate to your profile, and select the support option. Describe your issue, mentioning the error message and the steps you've already taken. The support team should get back to you with further help. Dealing with tech issues can be frustrating, but knowing how to fix Cash App not letting me add paper money makes it easier. By following these steps, verifying your account, updating the app, checking your network, ensuring you're at a supported location, and contacting support, you can resolve the issue efficiently. Remember, keeping your app updated and your account verified will help minimize these kinds of problems in the future. Stay proactive, and you'll be adding paper money on Cash App with ease once again.